Hi everyone, my name is Sunil Chandak. I'm working as a program manager at EccoSattva Environmental Solutions Private Limited. We work with municipalities, ULBs to manage dry waste of cities and towns. We have executed to many material recovery facilities. Recently, we got an opportunity to establish automated material recovery facility at Aurangabad itself. We came across many vendors who were ready to provide a conveyor system to us. We choose to go with Aline team, and it was great decision indeed. I must say that Rashid, Sajid, and entire Aline team were amazing throughout. They have provided good services. Execution were great, and I would like to recommend Align team to anyone out there. Thank you.